Troubleshooting Vizio TV Wi-Fi connection.
Hello there. Are you facing issues with your Vizio TV's Wi-Fi connection? In this video, we will guide you through some steps to troubleshoot your Wi-Fi connection on your Vizio TV.
Checking the internet connection.
First, we need to check if the problem is not with the Wi-Fi itself. You can do this by checking if other devices can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. If other devices also can't connect, it's likely a problem with the router or your internet service provider.
Power cycle your devices.
If your other devices connect to the Wi-Fi network without any issues, power cycle your Vizio TV and Wi-Fi router. Simply turn off both devices, unplug them from the power source, wait for a minute, and plug them back in. Turn them on again and try connecting.
Check TV's network settings.
Next, you should check the network settings on your Vizio TV. You can do this by going to the menu, selecting Network, and then Network Connection. If your TV can't find any networks, there could be a problem with the TV's Wi-Fi receiver.
Updating Vizio TV firmware.
The next step is to check if your Vizio TV's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connection issues. Go to the menu, select System, then System Update to check for any available updates.
Factory reset.
If all the above steps fail, you can perform a factory reset on your Vizio TV. Please note that this will erase all the settings on your TV. To do a factory reset, go to Menu, then System, and select Reset and Admin, and finally, Reset TV to Factory Settings. Those are some of the steps to troubleshoot your Wi-Fi connection on your Vizio TV. We hope this video was useful. Remember, if you're still experiencing issues, you might need to get in touch with Vizio's customer support. Thank you for watching.